Hello, good morning viewers. In this tutorial, I'm only going to highlight the only three different solutions you can obtain after solving second order linear homogeneous differential equation. In our previous lesson, we have seen that this is the form of differential equation we are going to be dealing with. And we have to transform it into an auxiliary equation or characteristics equation, which is a quadratic equation where we have to obtain the values of r. So basically, any form of quadratic equation can be solved using general formula, which is minus b plus o minus into square root of d over 2a, where d is our discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. So here are the different forms of solution that depends on the nature of our roots. If you simplify d and you realize the value is greater than 0, it means we have real and distinct root, two different solutions. In that case, our solution for that differential equation is going to be a constant multiplied by e to the first root times x plus another constant e to the second root times x. But sometimes solving this quadratic equation, we are going to obtain the value of d to be equal to 0. In that case, we say we have real and equal roots. When we have equal roots, our solution is going to be in this form: a constant multiplied by e to that root times x plus another constant times x times e to that root times x. And the last form is when you simplify d and you realize the value you obtain is less than 0. In that case, we are going to obtain a complex solution. If our roots are in complex form, our solution for that differential equation is going to be in this form: e to the alpha x multiplying the whole of this expression, a constant times cos of beta x plus another constant times sine of beta x. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching and do have a nice day.